Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 build and free disk space so the update can complete. Once done, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Downloads fail on flaky Wi-Fi. Now open Settings and go to Windows Update. You do this because Directx components are distributed through Windows Update on Windows 10/11, not as a separate driver package. So start the Update tool now, pause other downloads, and prepare to check for optional updates while Windows scans. You click Advanced Options and then Optional Updates to reveal driver packages that Windows hides during automatic updates. Once the list loads, scan for driver updates or feature updates that mention DirectX or Graphics Runtime. If you see a DirectX Runtime or Microsoft DirectX driver entry, select it. Make sure to also check GPU driver entries indirectly tied to DirectX, because the video driver often bundles runtime fixes. After selecting, click Download and Install. Keep power connected and you install the chosen updates and accept any prompts. When Windows requests a restart, do it immediately to finalize component registration. Once back, run dxdiag from Run or Start to confirm the DirectX version and note any error messages. If something goes wrong, make sure to roll back the GPU driver in Device Manager or reinstall the GPU driver from the hardware vendor. This often resolves mismatched DirectX runtimes. Keep a restore point or backup in case you need to revert system changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.